Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to create a workflow that can make your life so much easier. Imagine being able to save time and get more done. Sounds great, right? In this guide, I'll walk you through some simple steps to build a workflow that really works for you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. To create your workflow, start by navigating to the Workflows option in the menu. Click on Add Workflow and then choose Create Your Own. By default, new workflows are named New Workflow, but you can easily change this. Simply click on the New Workflow text at the top left of the page, delete the default name, and enter a meaningful name for your workflow. Next, choose a trigger for your workflow. In the Choose Activity block, you can select the software you want to use by either clicking on one of the presented icons or using the filter to search for and select your desired software. If you need a specific trigger activity, you can directly filter the options to find exactly what you need. After setting your trigger, it's time to add actions. Click the Next Step button to add an action activity block. Again, you can select the software you want to use or use the filter to find it. Fill in the requested fields, following the complete guide for each type of action activity in the Applications category. Repeat this process to add as many actions as needed. Ensure your workflow is activated by making sure the on/off switch is turned on. This preserves and activates all components, ensuring they function correctly. Don't forget to save your workflow to retain all your configurations. Once your workflow is set up, test it to make sure all components are working properly. Review your workflow for any errors, edit any components if necessary, and rerun the workflow to confirm that all issues have been resolved and it's functioning correctly. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined and efficient workflow tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful videos and tips to streamline your workflow.